working hard. Some of this growth is up over the headlights, up over the hood. But we're getting her cut back. I don't know if storm's coming. I feel a cold breeze. That could be a possibility. Well, the Vevor dry shaft seems to be holding up. I mean, we didn't spend a whole lot on it. It's doing the job. Maybe second go around, this will be better, who knows. This is gonna get noisy right here and I run over this spruce tree. She just ate it, no problem. Double of a machine. You can see there where I got that cut. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just kind of driving around cutting stuff. A fair bit to cut here. Try to get the house open back up and the horse bark. Let's get this over. Yeah, it helps to swing this thing using the independent brake pedals for left and right. It really helps you to swing the tractor around. So if you got an older tractor and you don't understand how the independent brake pedal works, it'll lock up to one wheel and it allows you to do a really super tight turn. That's why the pedal there on the 5-bar, you can disconnect it, that's it right there. You can disconnect the two brakes from each other. And that gives you the independent braking. Well, this is pretty deep here. You can hear a tractor working in the anthills. Holy mackerel. It's rough over the anthills. There's one right there. You can hear the engine load up. I ran in a blueberry patch. I think it's a blueberry patch, so I got out of there. And I'm gonna have to, I'll investigate that. What a day. Drove down here and then I had a mishap with the chainsaw already, damn it. And Jake ran into town, see if he could find a chainsaw wrench. We seem to misplace it, I don't know. So we'll work on that. Whatever, small step back. This house, the house here, we're gonna take that down, I think. It's not very savable. I mean, it looks good, but internally it's not really that good. So we're gonna work on that. More anthills. Anyway, stand by. We'll see what's going on. Yeah, there's Jake operating operating his tractor. We got that. That thing's just working beautiful. Remember, guys, back in the video, that was the Bush Hog that we made with scrap metal. We made all that, reinforced it, rebuilt it all. And there it is. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's doing work. We're trying to clear up this field. I mean, this is waist deep. Pretty heavy. You can hear how it loads up the tractor. We're running in second gear. Not too bad. You can see it's doing a good job. So, something we gotta do. Gotta keep it done. Try to keep this property cleaned up. As you can see, it's looking real good now. Boy, this is hard to walk through. It took my waist. Whew! And anthills. My Lanta, when you hit the anthills, it just grenades. Get a little bit of a sprinkle. Jake wants me to just cut around it. Hey! Hey! Cut around it. Come this way.
Back up a little bit?
Yeah. Grab these right here, eh? Grab this. Freaking people throwing their shit all over the property. This is gonna get cleaned up. We actually own half of that garage.
Over here.
You got big stuff in here, man. Look at this. All right, go that way. Go that way. Voles running around, running for his very life. That thing's working flawlessly. Amazing. Jake's got a good grasp of it, and seems to be going very good. Got some chainsawing to do. He's getting there. Get some close-up action. Got some zoomies going on, 4.3 times. Excellent. 1954 Ferguson TO35. She's got her working clothes on, and she's doing a good job. Antique tractors. Nothing wrong with that at all. There you go. Well, there you are, boys and girls. We got 99% of the job done. It started to rain. So we decided that that's it for today. We're half hour, 40 minutes from the St. Louis Homestead there to Jake's Homestead in Rogersville, in the great province that we knowingly love as New Brunswick. Anyway, 35 performed flawlessly that I can see. We got a fuel delivery thing going on. I think I have a strainer, a brand new one I bought. I might put that in. I got to take it apart and see, but we got to run the gas down out of it. Frickin' deer flies all over me, so we can see what's going on. And there she is following us. So yeah, we'll do some work on it, and we're gonna get her back to the house. So I didn't want to leave it there overnight. We could have came back and did a little bit more. We're not decided. We might run down and get the farm all. We're gonna see what's going on. Anyway, we'll close this video with the obligatory like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back often for more videos. And there you have it. That's the finale for the scrap metal Bush Hog and our beloved Ferguson TO35. We put her to work. She did well. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring the bell, check back often. We'll see you soon. Say goodbye, Jake.
Goodbye.
Bye now.
Bye.